are not just interested in having chocolate bars or candies, having a uniform brand name. You customize them.
Yes. So it was part of my thinking process. And if just like I put in the evolution of how we came, you will discover that we started as a gift packaging brand.
That's the origin.
That's the origin
of this business.
Exactly. And I wanted to keep that uniqueness to a large extent. Now, when I discovered that I wanted to keep that uniqueness, I actually discovered that while keeping it, it was a unique selling point for me, and it was a tool for penetration into the market. So I discovered that, okay, why don't we make this product customized? That would first attract somebody to our site, give us some form of attention, as against me trying so hard to compete with brands that are some of my model brands. They are over 100 years old, if
not more.
And I'm like,
and they have
so much resources
to
market and do everything. They have so much resources, so much brand presence, so much distribution.
You strike me as a contrarian. You will defy conventions just to get people's attention for your product, and you were using this unconventional method to gain the attention of the marketplace. And of course, you leverage on that to get market expansion.